G'day trendsetters, Rodney from Working Class Van at Willawong in Brisbane, and today we're going to look at pipe inspection van setup for far north Queensland. So in the Syncro shelving in this flap up door is the battery system. It's all Enerdrive gear. So 20 amp AC charger for when the vehicle's in storage. 40 amp DC to DC charger, which charges the battery while the vehicle's running. Also acts as a solar controller for the 180 watt panel on the roof. 2600 watt AC inverter for all your AC needs. All powered by Enerdrive BTEC lithium 200 amp hour battery. Easily accessible circuit breakers and a restart button for the battery if it goes flat. So plenty of storage with the Syncro shelving system. Slide out ball bearing drawers, lock into place, easily fold back in, lock in. Got these pull up doors here for extra added space as well. So these are the Syncro generator slides. Slides out, lock in place. This one here will hold the reel for the inspection robot. Also swivels from side to side to make it easier to pull out and roll back in. Slides back in, locks in place nice and tight. On the other side, we've added another one. This one is for the inspection robot itself, so they can pull this out. Makes it easily accessible to lift up, put on the ground. Also makes it easy to wash afterwards. So that'll slide back in again, lock in place. Also a water pump for cleaning on a retractable hose. So we'll just pull this one out. Got your water there. Also, when you're finished cleaning the robot, roll it back in, place it back in the holder, turn it on, you can wash your hands. The water supply, we've got two 90 litre tanks each side, so 180 all up. It's filled up by this little tap down here. Plug her in, turn your hose on, fill it up. It's got overflows to tell you when you're full. Also a meter here and pump on and off. So we got a monitor for the inspection robot's camera that can swivel around with these monitor arms to wherever they like, whichever is a good position. Also this whiteboard so they can work out what they're doing, write it down, swivel around, show the boys what they're up to. Built this custom control panel. So what this consists of is the on and off switch for the inverter. Hold that on till it beeps. Then it gives you your 240 power. Voltmeter, Ciga socket plug, two USB plugs, Anderson plug, and switches for the lights and the fans. Added work lights and flashes. You got your left, right, and your flashes in the middle, easily accessible for the driver.